Hi everyone. So today I have got a renowned orthopedic surgeon with me, Dr. Saurabh Zatkar. So Dr. Saurabh Zatkar, is practicing orthopedics in and around Bhandup, also in Mulund. So he has done his orthopedics from Sion Hospital, and he has also additionally done fellowship in knee and shoulder surgery from Seoul, South Korea. And erstwhile he has worked at Rajawari, MT Agarwal, and now actually he's at ESIC Mulund. So additionally he has also opened up a clinic. Now we are actually sitting at his clinic only, which is in Bhandup. I want to talk to him, and let's see how you can benefit from this conversation, and what's basically he has something to announce. So let's hear him out. Hi Dr. Saurabh Zatkar, thank you so much for taking time out from your busy schedule. So do you want to just say something about your career so far and how you're liking this, and so maybe I'll first start with how you're feeling coming on our channel.
First of all, thank you Navamita for having me on your channel.
Yeah. So Dr. Saurabh Zatkar, so can you tell me, so since when have you been practicing?
So basically after completing my MS from Sion Hospital, so it has been 9 years I am practicing.
Okay, that's great. So, and how long is this clinic?
So I have recently started this clinic.
Okay.
I have started this in March of 2025.
That's great. I mean, it's actually a lot of patients are benefiting from this clinic. I can see that, totally from the feedback reviews that we saw on Google. Also, can you just tell me a bit about, what kind of patients, what are your specialization areas, and what kind of patients do you expect at your clinic?
Okay. So as I have done post graduation in orthopedics. So basically my specialization is in trauma, complex trauma, joint replacement and arthroscopy, that is keyhole surgeries.
Okay.
And basically so I see these patients.
Okay. And just because I know about it and I want everyone to know about it and benefit from the one facility that you are providing on 20th of April. Do you want to talk more about it? What is it, the camp, and a bit more about it?
Definitely. So after starting this clinic, I have decided that I will keep one Sunday of each month a free camp which will benefit the patients.
That's really a very noble thought.
So this will be a totally free camp, free consultations, and any investigations or x-rays they will be done at a concessional rate. So yeah.
That's great. And can you tell me when is the camp? I mean the timing, and where? Do you want to talk about the location as well?
So my clinic is in Kopan Nagar, Bhandup. It's just
okay. I'll share the Google map link on the description.
So this month it will be on the 20th of April from 10 AM to 2 PM.
Okay.
So
and
people
also,
can benefit from it.
Yeah. And also, can you tell me if there are any registration fee?
No, it is totally free.
Okay, so it's completely free. No registration fee, no consultation fee, and also the test will be done at a concessional.
So this I will be having a BMD machine.
Okay.
So this is basically a bone mineral density.
Okay.
For osteoporosis, to see patients' bones are weak.
Okay.
So that will be totally free. Any other investigation, blood test, or any X-ray, they will be done at a concession.
Oh wow, that's really great. And also, I mean, there are a lot of patients who might not be available on 20th of April, so they might not be able to avail of the free camp. However, you are free to come to Dr. Saurabh's clinic. Though you might not be getting the free checkup, but he will make sure that you get the best treatment from him. And also, Dr. Saurabh Zatkar, I also wanted to drop a message about the camp in Marathi for our Marathi audience.
तर ह्या रविवारी 20 एप्रिलला मोफत शिबिर आहे ऑर्थोपेडिकचं सकाळी 10 ते दुपारी 2 पर्यंत. तर तुम्ही ज्यांना गरज असेल त्यांनी नक्की लाभ घ्यावा त्याचा.
আমি বাঙালি দর্শকদেরও বলতে চাই যে আপনারা নিশ্চয়ই আসবেন এই ক্যাম্পটায়। এটা কোকারনগর বাস স্টপে আছে, অরুণোদয় টাওয়ারের নিচে, শপ নাম্বার 4। আর 20 এপ্রিল আমরা এই ক্যাম্পটা রেখেছি কমপ্লিটলি ফ্রি। তো আপনারা প্লিজ আসুন, রেজিস্ট্রেশন ফি নেই, নো কনসালটেশন ফি, অ্যান্ড যে কোনো টেস্ট যেগুলো ডক্টর সাজেস্ট করবে সেগুলো আমরা চেষ্টা করছি কনসেশনাল রেটে দেওয়ার। তো আপনারা প্লিজ আসুন, আমি সবাইকে অনুরোধ করবো আপনারা ডেফিনেটলি আসবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, থ্যাংকস আ লট।